I have the most highly organized organization or skills here going for us. These are my washers. You know, I could also cut some. I was doing something with some ball dome lids the other day and cut. You see this here looks to be about the right, almost the right size. Yeah. It's almost. Let me bring y'all up in here to the front of the place. And if I was to push this rod on through here, and this is just the first original prototype, but it helps us to get an idea of what we're talking about. And this isn't an exact match. But you can see how that on there as a hubcap would work. Push that back in. Alright. So if I had a washer with a little smaller hole, but it's about the right size. See, oh, and another thing I got is I got some white rubber. See, that's about the right size for a hubcap. You see that? If you had a little smaller hole in it. I might want to make me a trip to the hardware store. Because I might, if I did, oh, look at that. That's pretty promising right there. Digging deep now. Oh, look at that. That one right there. That's really good. If I went to the hardware store, I bet you I could find something pretty close to a match. The cold weather's running up and down my back. Mercy sakes. I'm thinking I could take this here. Put it right there. Cut that out. Well, we're getting there. So, yeah, baby. You know, another thing you could do if you want to get fancy is take your little Dremel tool, work around that tire. You could even cut some little spaces like that in that. Yeah. He's got several vehicles that need tires. Let's see what some of the other ones are, because some of them have bigger tires and some of them have smaller tires. Let me go get one.